As we journey deeper into the heartland of skills in India, let me take you to the timeless town of Kumbakonam, where the hands of artisans have been shaping metal into divine art forms for centuries and generating a rich economy. The art of bronze statue making in Kumbakonam dates back to over 1,000 years, flourishing during the Chola dynasty from the 9th to 13th centuries. As I stood there, witnessing the birth of these sacred forms, I felt the weight of time slow down. The wax under their fingers, the heat of the fire, the precision in every movement, it's a symphony of heritage and innovation. There is no mere art, it's an alchemy of earth and fire, metal and spirit, merging human effort with a higher essence. But behind the beauty lies depth, the toll of the craft on the body, the health impacts of prolonged labor, the complexity of the supply chain stretching from village to temple. These are not just statues, they are the culmination of an entire ecosystem of artisans, traders, and history keepers, all bound by the common thread of devotion. Each statue carries a piece of India's collective identity. The creation process itself, which involves multiple craftsmen working on different stages, reflects the value of unity and collaboration. Today we are rapidly losing touch with our traditions. The craft of Kumbakonam is a reminder of how evolution of heritage can reignite the economy. Here, the ancient craft of statue making travels beyond time, as hands that have learned from generations past transform raw metals into gods. The process is a delicate dance. Metal is melted, wax is shaped, molds are baked. Every step holds centuries of knowledge, each detail whispering stories of devotion and skill. Standing in that space, something inside me also shifted. In touching the soil, in feeling the presence of all those statues take shape in front of my eyes, I was really transported. And this story, this art, this ancient and futuristic craft took me to another world, a world where I'm both the observer and the transformed. I left that place altered, reminded once again that through every encounter, we evolve and become part of something greater. This is not just an art form, this is the legacy of our land where past can meet the future and we become the bridge. The time has come for us to reconnect to our crafts, to our arts, to our culture. We need to support our local artisans through buying what is made from the hands of our people to preserve these traditions before they are lost. Let's get back to our roots and honor the hands that shape our heritage.